Okay, so for our maths lesson today, we're going to be looking at movement and direction. And I hope on Monday you enjoyed learning the Dance to the Cha-Cha side, as I know it was one of my favourite songs when I was younger, as it is definitely very fun and gets you moving. So, first of all, we're going to look at our left and our right. Now there is a very easy trick for this that even as an adult I still use to make sure I don't get my left and right confused. Now if I put my hands out like this, you can see that one hand makes an L, the other one is a backwards L, so that's not correct. The L, the one that makes the L, is our left. So this way, from where I am sitting right now, would be left, okay, because it's this hand, it's following my L, this is my left hand, okay. Some of us, like Destiny and Sean, write with our left hand, okay. I can't, that feels really weird to me, but some of us do. That's how we find our left hand. And this hand here would be my right hand, because it is, as we can see, that's not how we write our L, okay. So actually, I'm going to write it really small. And that would be the direction of our right. So, bear that in mind. I'm going to give you a few questions, and I want you to tell me whether the object has moved to the left or to the right. Okay? So, I'm just going to rub that off. Okay, so I have a pen here. I'm going to move it this way. Have I moved my pen to the left or to the right? You can either write it down, just have a think about it, or tell your parents or somebody at home. Have I moved the pen to the left or to the right? Okay. This time, I'm going to move the pen. I want you to tell me which direction I've moved it in. Okay, have I moved the pen to the left or to the right? The left or to the right? Okay, so we should have got that the pen moved to the right the first time, because when I look at my hands, this is my correct L, so that would be my left. So my pen moved to the right. The second time, the pen moved towards my L, so it moved to the left. Okay? Now that was from when it was in the centre. If my pen starts here, and I move it like this, it still has moved to the left. Although it's only moved a little bit, it has still moved to the left. If I was to then move it back to the centre, the pen has moved to the right. Okay? So that is how we use things for left and right. Now, I'm then also going to show you that we have left, we have right, we also have up, and we have down. Okay? So this time, I want you to tell me which way the pen has moved. Okay, thinking about it, I'm going to do that again. Which way has the pen moved? This is question number 1. Okay? Which way has the pen moved? Let me show you one more time. So you're going to have 2 directions when you do this, because I've moved the pen twice. Okay. Question number 2. These I would like you to write down so that you can send them to me so I can see how you get on. Okay. Question number 2. which way has my pen moved? What way have I moved my pen? I'll do it again for you. And I'll show you one more time. What way has my pen moved? Okay. Question number 3. What direction did my pen move that time? I'll show you again. There are still 2 words I need you to write. Which are they? Has my pen moved up and left? Has it moved up and up? Has it moved down and down? Has it moved right and down? What way am I moving my pen? Okay, question number 4. What way am I moving my pen this time? This time you should definitely have 3 directions, okay? They might be the same directions, but I should have 3. I'm going to show you again. And I'll show you one more time. Okay. Number 5. This will be the last of these types of questions that I would like you to do. Okay, what way does my pen move now? Should have 4 directions that time. Okay, show you again. And one more time. Okay, good job. Now, for the last bit of the maths that I would like you to complete is I would like you to think about this. I'm going to call this a grid. Okay. Now my red dot is going to start here. I'm going to show you a pathway that I'm going to move. I'm actually going to have this as an example, and then I will give you another one for you to do yourself. So I'm just going to draw a pathway. Okay. And I'm going to write a sentence to describe how that red dot is moving. So, my red dot moves 1, 2, so the dot moves 1, 2 spaces to the right, moves 2 spaces right, comma, because I'm listing, 1, 2 spaces up, it then moves 1 space to the left because of my L,